Good morning, afternoon, grade 10s. Sorry that I had to change the live lesson. Couldn't be avoided. So the live lesson will be tomorrow at 10:20, and the Jamboard that I had loaded, I'll discuss with you tomorrow. So this is just a very, very short video, just to explain to you how this task is going to work. So I've loaded it. There's a copy for each of you, so you'll each have your own copy. You won't see what the others are doing. So what I want you to do, you must start, please, on page 135 and go to page 166. So don't worry, you're not going to write that much. You're going to create a table with the names of all the chiefdoms and the chiefs of this period. You're going to make a summary of the main points relating to this group and how they decline. So I've done the first one for you. When it comes to the Southern Swana, for example, that was the first lot we looked at right at the beginning, page 135. It's the one group where there wasn't one clear leader. It wasn't a Dingus Wyof of the Mtetwa, or a Zwida of the Ndwandwe, or a Shaka and Dingani of the Zulu. The location, you can just give a brief where it is, in this case the western border of the Highveld. And then unique points, what made them unique or different. You can pretty much add anything here. So in this case, I've gone with many chiefdoms. They control trade with Delagoa Bay and with the Kora and the Griqua. And then this here are on decline. Now, you'll see in this particular instance, I've got some... I put a lot of work into the decline, less work in there. So obviously each one will be slightly different, and some will be longer than others. The Kora and the Griqua will be quite short. Likewise, the Ndwandwe and the Mtetwa, but you'll probably spend more time on, say, the Zulu and the Sotho, for example. So all the chiefdoms. This is really for your benefit, for studying purposes. I know it becomes very confusing with all the chiefdoms, where they were, who their chiefs were, and what made them unique or different from the others. So, for example, the Sotho were very defensive-minded. They created a fortress on Thaba Bosiu. That would make them sort of unique or different, as an example. So you're going to work on it today. You've got the full hour. And then tomorrow, our lesson will probably only be about half an hour, and you'll have that half an hour, that's an hour and a half, and then you must complete it for homework, so it must be submitted by Friday night. I'm sure you won't wait until Friday night to submit it, but you've got that long if you need it. And post any questions you have if there's any parts you